So Maria's kicking like crazy and rocking her swing. Huh. Mommy and Daddy were downstairs yesterday and thought somebody was knocking at the door. But you woke up and were shaking your swing. Huh. I hope it doesn't break. I hope it doesn't break. I'm talking to you. You getting ready for your bath? Yeah? You are too funny. You can't be tired. You just woke up. Oh. Mommy got you. You're nuts. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? You know the swing isn't supposed to move that way, right? That's the wrong way. You don't care? Alright, we'll go take a bath. Say bye-bye. Boogity 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 boo. Boogity boogity boo. Say bye-bye. Oh, say bye-bye.